so. Cause long time I tell you now. Long time I tell you now. Long time Dovey says she afraid for who for take. Long time I tell you the boy them love bottom now. That's why I cage up man. I not put no cement in my mind. Cause I don't want Roger dig it up. I don't know if Roger into construction. Then I not put no cement in my bottom. Cause Roger walk at the construction by you know somebody. For sure, I'm not doing it. Dovey Magnum says she don't know who for text her. Sometimes you see them girl are going. That's why the boy them feel so free. Them go to the rifle and a wine. Them go to the rifle and watch at the ends. All of the girl them watch the ends while the man them a wine. Yeah, the girl them busy I watch the ends. She be for go and bed after minute in your bedroom now your living room. Me nah look at your son and feel up him cocky. Oh, you mean me for go and better? And when me say when me a go and bad, allow me see they take a batty man. You there with a batty man. Me hurt your feelings or disappoint your vagina. Which one? Can me busy I repeat what Dovey Magnum say? You gonna tell me say me for go and better, but me not understand the connection. Go and better oh. But me don't know if she take a batty man. If you take a batty man that's still life, go my love. If you take a batty man and you feel the pum pum and itch after grind, hush. Go wash it out, my love. Use the cookie, me don't know if it crumble. Go wash it out, that's all you have to do, wash it out and turn it down. I Dovey Magnum says she's afraid. If she have the correct hole and I worry. Why should I cry? Me not cry. Me not cry. Me not have no tears again. And enough woman to come out and attest to it like Dovey. And so me not like my man a batty boy. My baby father cocky shit up. But I tell enough other girls say some other mate and me. When I think a joke, but I could use me again after a while. Cause remember me na man. Some other mate and man. Yeah. And a shit help from some other picnic. When I go on and leave me alone, that's when I